I want you all to check out this song by Afro Drum Bass. It's playing on our background right now at the moment. So please make sure to check it out. It's available on all digital platforms. You can just check it out anywhere. You can stream it anywhere right now. So please make sure to subscribe to their channel. It's called Afro Drum Bass, and check it out, guys. It's fire. So let's support each other. It's a Gogo Get Kenny, and I'm back with another episode of Vampila of Beyond, and this episode is the final episode of season 1. So I just want you to make sure you check it out, because it's fire today. And without wasting much of your time, I just want you to make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe before I can tell you a little bit of what's going on. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. So a guy called Pamela wrote to us, Ari, or like a chick. So I'm just gonna call him so that I can know what's halang, because get some mulelo to pulela. So Pamela, come on, Jane, right? What's up? Okay, so couple of times like why are quality,
Ish, quality because there's this chick. Yo, like Manolo Baba Joe.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, since from like secondary grade. I was like, wow, ne. And I was like, yo, like how?
What's tape?
Yeah, but it's very busy. I get
King, you must like go pelon to more or mona net fela Hawaii fela or
it's like Tanas Gilas one.
Oh,
so get other, Manamos Gila or like a Fetagasita high.
Yeah,
I eat in a go with happy in your office and I'm calling
yeah. So like we can see the
Nah, not like relationship along. And not like relationship in carry, last time like 1 year chick. Come on, like a mono like Pamireti, like so me.
So when I like why like Nago so get like or get alone to Mona get so like was there Nago for because
Tata ish, Namajute, Lavanyane over like Banyana Kono Bate.
Yeah.
If not alone one or more, only wake up a lot of Tom Tenafel, everything is perfect.
I'm a very miracle of just like Mona, just like the so no libis on Yanagama.
Little like
Rika. Oh, Rika. So no get over like a platform for Kono Motor. Okay, Rika, Korotam Kanagan, so yeah. My world has changed. Couldn't change it. They couldn't inspire. Give them a better. And then can you go meet up a loena? Another date. There one relationship with a guy. But Namkagi wana. And a relationship how Yagala how. Hey, it of is a joke. Like now need a pilon bag. If you are every second take waste time, kiss now and hey, good car will fill up what less. At least one far reason or get paid on my life here. So Jonah over to Jogorata, talk, and you were one way. Ma fai di lumulilo hore girrizini ya hore appeal no so no rito ko Rika right rito ko Rika no the brothers I lo moto hore fira halang cause vele ke mereka ko tisa batang like so benong arta mai fit ara to so yeah you turn me to a loner 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 why you not telling how jela kina weto manina yo no toy funayo why you not telling manina yo no toy tanayo you don't know how I feel
we just arrived at the Golden, so right now we're just gonna call her and talk it out, help the boy because very very it's my job to help him. So I'm just gonna call Rika right now so that she can hear the story of the bro. So Rika, come on, join her. Okay. Ke nna Candy ne ke nna ke 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 tla campus entertainment show ya rena ba bitsa bang feel or byang so Phemelo o re kwaletse a re o ne le crush mo wena so like until I give you a meeting mara re le tsena sekolo go botle so ke tshepa re wa meet. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna give him the chance to talk it out himself because ngise mbulele vele vele until like so Phemelo ko bolo until like you look sit about the house.
Sure.
I'm just gonna give you a few
Hello.
minutes.
Hey Joe, is ke ngwaletse TV show we one feel of young. Then when I go like I can't send Nalwena because like it's not that courage along out in our one.
Like no whole necessary.
Yeah, I give an necessary because given our like no chance.
Or like unkin to go to TV.
No, that way when some TV is like show or like what you mean to me. So everyone in the whole world like what kind of one or like love yagala how area.
Love yagala how.
Oh.
EVP.
Okay. Like Joe, couple of chance, at least in chance. No, just like that.
No, was colo evil. Yo.
Like can make a para hati akan tu and then you be like, no.
Was colo. Nal pay sleep. Nal color?
No.
Nal hempe blue.
Nah, think of farang yun. Nakan nte what ka so farang yun. Nakan na rat nang of farang yun.
Nalingi?
Nalara.
Liti ke ba? Lebani ke ba?
Nah, kaya kanya one time na like no.
Pure ka gawe nazar nalara.
Yeah, Joe.
I can understand it higher way no sa to tan masan so unkin sumpi public ko ba to. King oy worta ba to di bani ke ba?
No, that's what I'm cool, but you wanna take a chance. You're not gonna go because like you feel like Harlem Moscow and stuff. It's not another parlor, Joe, like another parlor. Like literally another parlor. This no get one feel them out or you can confront.
So can meet.
Yeah.
That's nice. Baraba sleep.
Okay. Okay, this is the problem with the reason why you had at least.
Nalo normal leaking one. Normal leveling one.
Oh.
Okay, Rico, what's going on? I'm going to join. I'm going to I guess we're going to go to Pira hala, I'm going to go Rico, cinta.
Ay, lang kisto mo tayo karawi.
Gimana? Okay, brothers, baru tadi kara untuk diarah ya lah. Pira hala.
Sama pi.
Sama pi.
Sama pi.
I guess you're disappointed, ne? It's written all over your face, bro. Amarot na ba siya, abo, as time goes, tagra omongwe, maybe, abo, kam ko na bulela hori.
Shaping like wrong.
I was happy. Why can't you go home at Abokat?
Like, go with the come to relating. Now, I'm not to me rating more fats in 4-way. So, again, no phone, so I won't hang on this, I won't have chance in my hand.
Ski, so the fall, so the gromor. Good luck to you, bro. Rika Dangine, when I go So guys, it's a good. Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel because the next season is gonna be it's gonna be fire, and I have an upcoming show that I'm gonna do. It's called A Date with Candy. So if you have interests and you wanna go out on a date with me, you can hit us up. So without wasting much of your time, to go get the candy once again and make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys. Yeah. Good night.
I love the way you dance, and I saw you in the club, girl, I was blessed. The way that you go down in slow motion, no wasting. Girl, you got me wasted. Your body got me thinking like, ooh, she got the flavor. Let me taste it. Give it up, give it up to me. I'ma do you like you need to be done. Beat it up, I beat it up to it. Take it down in the floor. Give it up to me. I'ma do you like you need to be done. Beat it up till we go down to the floor. Yeah.
Where's the flesh car? So I read out true lines of a pharaoh when there's no flow. Come on, high court, that's where you can't side and can't reject. I just synchronize, think life.